When your Assurance Wireless phone shows no service, understanding the root causes can help you quickly resolve the issue and get back to staying connected. Assurance Wireless is a government assistance program that provides free cell phone service to eligible low-income customers across the United States. As a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, Assurance Wireless operates on T-Mobile's nationwide network infrastructure rather than owning its own cell towers. No service issues can stem from several factors: T-Mobile network outages or maintenance, MVNO-specific provisioning problems, or device compatibility issues with network frequencies. Fortunately, there are several quick troubleshooting steps you can try immediately. First, restart your device to refresh all network connections. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to re-register with the network and can resolve temporary connection issues. Also check that your account status is active and not suspended. Finally, you can manually select the T-Mobile network in your device settings to ensure proper connection. According to 2024 data, 85% of Assurance Wireless service issues are resolved within 24 hours using these standard troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Assurance Wireless service issues, it's time for advanced techniques. We'll examine SIM card problems, network configuration, and signal enhancement methods. First, physically inspect your SIM card. Remove it from your device and examine it closely for any visible damage, scratches, bends, or corrosion on the gold contacts. Next, properly reseat your SIM card. Power off your device, remove the SIM tray, check the orientation, and reinstall it firmly. Ensure the SIM sits flush in the tray. Clean the SIM contacts using a clean, dry cloth. Gently wipe the gold contacts to remove any debris or oxidation. Never use liquids or chemicals, and ensure the SIM is completely dry before reinstalling. For network configuration issues, start by resetting your network settings. This clears all Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configurations, giving you a fresh start. Configure your access point name settings correctly. For Assurance Wireless, the APN should be set to reseller with username and password fields left blank. This ensures proper data connectivity. To enhance your signal, start with location testing. Move around your area to find the strongest signal spots. Windows, higher floors, and outdoor areas typically provide better reception. Enable Wi-Fi calling to maintain connectivity in areas with poor cellular coverage. This feature allows you to make and receive calls over any Wi-Fi network, providing reliable service indoors. For persistent weak signal areas, consider a cellular signal booster. These systems use an external antenna to capture weak signals, amplify them, and rebroadcast stronger signals indoors through an internal antenna. These advanced troubleshooting techniques should resolve most persistent Assurance Wireless service issues. If problems continue after trying these methods, contact Assurance Wireless support for further assistance or potential SIM card replacement.